If your VLC media player is not playing videos or any audio file, we will fix this issue by very simple steps. So firstly, you need to check what exactly that file type is, and then we will do some troubleshooting steps in VLC media player itself. So just do a double click on the media player, just open your media player like by click on start icon and then look for VLC, or you can search it in the search bar, VLC media player. So once you open it, it will look like this, and this will work on Windows 10 and Windows 11 both. And here we need to go to this tools menu and then go to preferences. Now once we are here in preferences, we will have interface, audio, video, and subtitles, input codecs. So here we need to go to this input codecs. Now here we have this hardware accelerated decoding. So if it's automatic or DirectX 3D like that, just keep it disabled and click on save and restart the computer. Then try to play your video, or even try without restarting the computer. See if that works for you. All right. Secondly, if that doesn't work, then what you can do is you can update your VLC media player. So you can go to help menu, check the about section, see the version, and just click on check for updates. And if it says you have the latest version of VLC media player, then to fix this video not playing on VLC media player, what you can do is you can convert that file. For example, if you have a 3GP video or a MP4 video, so you can convert. So here we have this the cloudconvert.com. Here you can go to, you can select those files and convert your file. So no matter, it depends on you that how you are converting it. So try to convert the format of the video. If it's MP4, then convert it to AVI. If it's AVI, convert it into MP4, and then see if that works for you, if that video or player is very important. So you can try that, and you can also try a different media player, Windows itself. You can try that because you might have a corrupted video file which is not working even on secondary media player. So I hope this tutorial is useful for you, and please hit the like and subscribe. Please leave a comment that which step has worked for you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.